Hey, how's it going? And today we're taking a closer look at the Not Boolean in Unreal Engine, and it might not be what you think it is. It isn't what I thought it was. What it really does is it can function as a toggle switch. So you could actually use it instead of using a flip-flop node. It's very, very interesting. So what we're going to do is I just talked about this, we just used this functionality in the last tutorial I did. I thought it'd be helpful to dive a little bit deeper into this Not Boolean because it's so interesting. So we're in the Blueprint third person template right here. It's just a basic template. And what we're going to do is go into the Blueprint graph and the BP third person character, and we're just going to right click and get a keyboard event and go keyboard 1. So this will be triggered when I press 1. Then we're going to create a Boolean variable over here, and we'll just call it Boolean. We can leave it set to private, compile, and save. Now notice by default it's set to false. So what I'm going to do is hit Control and drag, and I'm going to get a get node. Then I'm going to press Alt and drag, and we're going to get a set node. Then what we'll do is we're going to drag off of here and get the Not Boolean right here. And then we'll drag this into here, and then lastly we'll hook up our exec pin right there, and lastly we're just going to get a print string so we can see what it's doing, and then we'll just pop this into here. We can see what values are returning. Here's a question: what value do you think this is going to return? Now if I didn't know any better, I would think it might return a false because this Boolean is set to false. But if we look at what this function does, it says it returns the logical complement of the Boolean value. It returns not A. This operation has to be considered with regard to the set. So every time we press the button, we are resetting this value. So that's where the toggle functionality comes. So basically whatever this value is, there's a 50-50 chance you're right. So let's just think about it. It's set to false. This is going to return the true. So then we press 1 and it's going to set this value to true, right? So it was false, now it's true. Then we press 1 again, it's true. Now it's going to set it to false. And we press 1 and now the value is set to false. We press 1 again, it gets converted to true. So it's going to go true because it's false. It's going to go to true when it's the logical complement. So it's going to be converted to false. It's false, it's going to be converted to true, and that's what we're going to see first. And then we press it again, it'll be set to true, it's going to turn to false, and then we're going to see false. And then it's just going to cycle through that logic. So if we come in here and we press play, when I hit 1, we're going to see true. There's true, false, 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 true. So interesting, right? I never realized that. So if I hit escape, basically this allows us to contain a toggle functionality using the set with the Not Boolean function. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.